I chose that culinary program because when I think of roots that I can connect to, food immediately comes to my mind. The family roots of Mexican soul food are always with me, and making a living out of it, it's a dream job. Education from a technical school costs much less, but also they allow you to enter the workforce in your field of choice. My instructors have teaching skills and experience from real world. If you want to become a great chef, you have to learn from the best, and that's exactly what I did here.
The highlights of our program is that we take all students at all levels of skill and teach them to get those foundations so they can go into the work field and really exceed.
I own Los Churros del Norte food truck, and we offer authentic Mexican food. We offer from street tacos to homemade and handmade churros. We make everything from scratch in my food truck.
A knife, some fire, and some food is all you need in this. So everyone needs to eat, so it's not going to get phased out with technology or anything. So there's always placement out there for well-trained chefs.
I'm very grateful with the people who contributed for my scholarship. Their generosity and help have been an inspiration to me. So thank you, everyone. Having an education, it's very important to be able to have a better future and succeed in our community, because they give you skills. You may have skills right now, but you will develop those skills. And if you're doing okay in our community, you can do great. So don't say no to the opportunity to have a better education.